Ever pondered on how to explore the wide expanse of the world solo, without emptying your bank balance or putting your safety at risk? Today, we're not just going to merely skim the surface, but rather, we're diving deep into the intriguing world of solo travel. Presenting you with an extensive guide that's brimming with travel hacks that will only save your hard-earned money and ensure your safety, but also substantially enhance your journey. Embrace the freedom of carving out your own itinerary, opportunities to meet and interact with new people, and discover unexplored facets of your own self. Solo travel offers you the chance to create your own story, filled with unique experiences and personal growth. Immerse yourself in the thrill of solo adventures, the joy of new acquaintances, and the profound journey of self-discovery. Welcome to the beautiful, liberating, and empowering world of solo travel. First up, we're delving into accommodations. It's a common misconception that affordable lodging means compromising on comfort or safety, but this is far from the truth. There's a myriad of options out there, each offering a unique experience for solo travelers. Hostels, guest houses, and homestays are excellent choices that cater specifically to those traveling alone, offering not only a budget-friendly stay, but also a chance to meet like-minded individuals. However, these aren't your only options. Budget hotels are a great middle ground, providing privacy and basic amenities without breaking the bank. Bed and breakfast offer a cozy, homey atmosphere, perfect for those seeking a more personal touch. And for the adventurous at heart, camping can provide an incredibly rewarding, close-to-nature experience, all while being remarkably easy on the wallet. All these choices come with the power-packed advantage of booking platforms. With just a few clicks, you can uncover incredible deals, last-minute offers, and hidden gems. But remember, it's crucial to check the reviews and ratings before making your booking. They're a goldmine of information, providing first-hand accounts of previous guests' experiences. So, do your homework, and rest assured you'll find an accommodation that fits both your budget and your style. As we proceed, we'll conquer the complexities of transportation. Booking flights, learning local bus routes, transportation can rapidly chip away at your travel account. But fear not, armed with a handful of shrewd strategies, you can keep the costs at bay without making any compromises. Consider affordable options at your destination, like investing in public transportation passes, hiring bikes, or even trying out walking tours. Furthermore, in the age of technology, don't forget about ride-sharing apps for cost-effective and convenient travel. Also, attempt to exploit off-peak travel times, which can translate to significant savings. Another fun wallet-friendly way to explore the city is on foot or by bike. Not only it will save your bucks, but it will also allow you to absorb the city's vibe at your own pace. Now let's delve into the topic of safety. Traveling solo doesn't have to imply traveling unprotected. From researching safe destinations to avoiding common scams, there are a myriad of ways to ensure your journey remains smooth and trouble-free. Here are a few more safety tips. Always keep your personal belongings close to you. Never share your detailed travel plans with strangers, and have a plan B ready for unexpected situations. And remember, protecting your possessions and personal information is the utmost importance. So make sure to invest in secure luggage and robust digital security measures. While dining alone can initially seem daunting, it presents a wonderful chance to savor local meals at your leisurely pace, delve into unique culinary experiences, and use mealtimes as a platform to strategize your next day's adventure. Imagine wandering through local markets, taking in the vibrant colors and enticing aromas of fresh food, or sitting in a quaint bistro, trying out a local delicacy that you've never heard of. Making the choice of communal dining spots could lead you to strike up enlightening conversations with locals. They can share hidden gems of the place unknown to many tourists. This interaction could also lead to lasting friendships, offering you a more intimate perspective on the culture and way of life in the area. Moreover, when it comes to socializing, there are manifold ways to connect with fellow travelers and locals. In the diversity of meetup groups to cultural experiences, every interaction presents the opportunity to learn something new. The benefits of such socializing are immense. Not only do you get to share and hear travel stories, but also it can lead to building international networks and friendships. So, Don't let the idea of dining alone scare you. Instead, look at it as a door to a world of possibilities. Diving deeper, let's discuss emergency preparedness. Accidents, as we know, are unpredictable, but being well prepared can completely transform your situation. Begin by securing a travel safety kit, a compact but comprehensive package that includes first aid essentials, emergency blankets, and multi-purpose tools. A vital part of this preparation is knowing your emergency contacts. This is not just limited to your personal contacts, but extend to local authorities, hospital and emergency services in the area you are visiting. Moreover, carry a comprehensive list of emergency numbers and make sure they are easily accessible. It's also imperative that you familiarize with local customs, laws, and emergency procedures of the place you are visiting. This knowledge could potentially save your life in an unforeseen situation. Equally critical is knowing the precise location of your country's nearest embassy or consulate. This can be a lifesaver when an urgent need for consular protection occurs. To ensure complete security, don't forget to invest in travel insurance. It may seem like an extra expense when planning your budget, but the security and peace of mind it provides is invaluable. And lastly, always maintain a reliable connection with your loved ones back home. Updating them about your whereabouts and plans not only keeps them informed, but also ensures a solid support network, which is essential when you're traveling solo. By embracing these solo travel hacks, not only will you navigate your adventures with confidence, but you'll also save money and curate unforgettable experiences. A solo journey allows for a sense of accomplishment that comes with managing your own itinerary and making decisions on the fly. Additionally, it provides a unique opportunity to step out of your comfort zone, challenging yourself to adapt to new cultures and experiences, which are all part of the journey. Plus, solo travel embeds memories that will last, designed by you, for you. All of this is achieved while prioritizing your safety and well-being. So pack your bags and gear up for the journey of a lifetime.